Ti'n barod I canu? You ready to sing?
Sing.
Bore da, sut wyt ti, sut wyt ti? Da iawn, diolch, bore da, bore da. Hello to you, hello to you, hello everybody, hello to you. Very nice, da iawn. Croeso pawb I Hub y Llyfrgell Canolog Caerdydd.
Welcome everyone to Cardiff Central Library Hub.
Dwi'n Sian, I'm Sian.
I'm Anna, ready to be Anna.
A heddiw, rydym am fynd yn ddwfn i'r jwngl I ganu llawer o caneuon am anifeiliad.
Today we're going to go for a walk into the jungle and meet lots of animals.
Ond I dechrau, wyt ti'n barod I symud?
Are you ready to get busy first of all?
Ti'n barod am pen ysgwyddau coesau traed, Anna?
Yes.
Ready? Pen ysgwyddau coesau traed, coesau traed. Pen ysgwyddau coesau traed a phlygaid, clustiau, trwyn a ceg. Pen ysgwyddau coesau traed, coesau traed. Da iawn, yn Saesneg in English?
Saesneg.
Heads, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Heads, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Heads and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Da iawn, I'm getting ready. Shall we go round around the garden for a little wander, Anna?
Oh, this is so tickly.
Where are your hands? Ready? Round and round the garden, like a teddy bear. One step, two step, and it's tickly under there. Now we do live in Wales, Anna, so we better do it in the rain. Yeah, you ready? Round and round the garden, in the wind and rain. One step, two step, and it's tickly there again. Da iawn. Now, mae'n amser I dwylo dros fy llygaidd. Ready? Dwylo dros fy llygaidd, dwylo dros fy llygaidd, dwylo dros fy llygaidd, ac yn y dweud, Bingo! Nawr yn Saesneg. Oh, yn Saesneg. Ti'n barod? Are you hiding? Are you hiding? Where are you? Where are you? I can't see you. I can't see you. Peek-a-boo! Peek-a-boo! Da iawn hynny, Anna. Nawr yn Cymraeg. Ble mae'r babi? Ble mae'r babi? Dyma fi, dyma fi. Cuddio ar y sgaf, cuddio ar y sgaf. Beep-bow! Beep-bow! Da iawn! Nawr, mae'n amser I mynd i'r jwngl.
Sian, are we going for a walk in the jungle today?
I think we are. Oh, it's going to be very exciting. Are you ready to walk with us through the jungle? Walking through the jungle.
Walking through the jungle.
What can you see?
What can you see?
Can you hear a noise?
Can you hear a noise?
What can it be?
What can it be?
What? What? Oh, well, I think it was a parrot. I think it was a parrot. I think it was a parrot. Looking for his tea. Looking for his tea. Oh, I wonder what the parrots are going to have for tea. What do you think? Bananas.
That was a surprise.
Shall we go back into the jungle? Are you ready? You need to be quiet. Walking through the jungle.
Walking through the jungle.
What can you see?
What can you see?
Can you hear a noise?
Can you hear a noise?
What can it be?
What can it be?
Oh, well, I think it was a tiger. Rah, rah. Think it was a tiger. Rah, rah. I think it was a tiger. Rah. Looking for his tea. I'm not sure what the tiger's gonna have for tea. Shall we go back into the jungle?
Let's go back in.
Ready? Here we go. Walking through the jungle.
Walking through the jungle.
What can you see?
What can you see?
Can you hear a noise?
Can you hear a noise?
What could it be?
What could it be? Oh, well, I
Think it was a snake. I think it was a snake. I think it was a snake. Looking for his tea. I hope it isn't me. Oh, put him away, Anna.
He's gone, Sharon.
Oh, that was quite a scary walk in the jungle.
It was, we saw a lot of animals.
But it was lots of fun. Did you enjoy it? Now we're going to sing a song about a lion. Nawr, rydyn ni'n mynd I canu gan am Llew. Dyma Llew. What noise does a lion make? Are you ready? Mr. Llew, ydw I, ydw I. Mr. Llew, ydw I, ydw I. Mr. Llew, ydw I, Mr. Llew, ydw I. Mr. Llew, ydw I, ydw I. Mr. Elephant, ydw I, ydw I. Woo! Mr. Elephant, ydw I, ydw I. Woo! Mr. Elephant, ydw I. Mr. Elephant, ydw I. Mr. Elephant, ydw I, ydw I. Woo! Mr. Nadir, ydw I, ydw I. Mr. Nadir, ydw I, ydw I. Mr. Nadir, ydw I. Mr. Nadir, ydw I. Mr. Nadir, ydw I, ydw I. Scary. Nawr, Anna, mae amser ar gan am fwnciod bach hwyliog.
Oh, I like that one.
It's
We're
a-
going to sing about 1, 2,
3.
Little monkeys. What are they doing, I wonder?
They are jumping on the bed. Are you ready? 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mummy phoned the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. How many have we got left, Anna? 2. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mummy phoned the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 1 monkey left. Are you ready? Should we go fast? 1 little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. Mummy phoned the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Nawr yn Cymraeg, Anna.
Tree monkey bach.
Ti'n barod?
Barod, barod.
Okay. 3 monkey bach yn neud iawn a lawr. Un aeth I fyny a crash lawr i'r llawr. Ffoniodd mam y doctor a gwaedd i'n uchel iawn. Dim rhag o fwnciod yn neidio lan a lawr. 1, 2 fwnciod. Ti'n barod? 2 Mae mwnci bach yn neidio lan y lawr. Un aeth I fyny a crash lawr I lawr. Fforddiodd mam y doctor a gweud I ni chael iawn. Dim rhag o fwncio dy neidio lan y lawr. Nawr, un mwnci! Ti'n barod yn gyflymach? Un mwnci bach yn neidio lan y lawr. Un aeth I fyny a crash lawr i'r llawr. Ffoniodd mam y doctor a gweud I ni chael iawn. Dim rhag o fwncio dy neidio lan y lawr. Da iawn! Oh, song nice iawn. Okay, Anna. Are you ready? I think we're looking for a slimy snake.
We might be. Have you seen one?
Have you seen a slimy snake?
Have you seen? I'm sure I heard.
Can you hear a noise?
Do you know this snake, Sian? Do you
I
know him?
Might. Do you know the slimy snake? The slimy snake. The slimy snake. Do you know the slimy snake that lives down in the jungle? Yes, I know the slimy snake. The slimy snake. The slimy snake. Yes, I know the slimy snake that lives down in the jungle. Do you know the little frog? The little frog. The little frog. Do you know the little frog that lives down in the jungle? Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Yes, I know the little frog, the little frog, the little frog. Yes, I know the little frog that lives down in the jungle. Do you know the crocodile, the crocodile, the crocodile? Do you know the crocodile that lives down in the jungle? Yes, I know the crocodile, the crocodile, the crocodile. Yes, I know the crocodile that lives down in the jungle. Crocodile's drwg, naughty crocodile. Now mae'n amser I ganu tri crocodile.
Tri crocodile.
Ti'n barod I nofio? Ready? Tri crocodile yn nofio yn yr afon. Tri crocodile yn nofio yn yr afon. Nofio'r un a dan a dŵr. Splash! Dim ond dau sydd ar ôl. Dau crocodile yn nofio yn yr afon. Dau crocodile yn nofio yn yr afon. Nofio un a dan a dŵr. Splash! Dim ond un sydd ar ôl. Un crocodile yn nofio yn yr afon. Un crocodile yn nofio yn yr afon. Nofio un a dan a dŵr. Splash! Does dim crocodile ar ôl. Da iawn, anghofiais I a gael Anna, I forgot the song. I'm sorry. Oh, I enjoyed our trip to the jungle, Anna. It was great.
That was fun.
It was really fun.
I've got so much energy
Oh,
now.
me too. I think I want to go roly-poly-poly.
Something fast. Oh, roly-poly.
Can you do
Roly-poly
this?
down the hill.
Can you do this with your arms? You ready?
Roly-poly.
Roly-poly, roly-poly, round and round. Roly-poly, roly-poly, round and round. Roly-poly, roly-poly, round and round. Clap your hands together. 1, 2, 3. Da iawn. Gyflymach, faster. Ready? Roly-poly, roly-poly, round and round. Roly-poly, roly-poly, round and round. Roly-poly, roly-poly, round and round. Clap your hands together. 1, 2, 3. Da iawn. Now, slowly, slowly, slowly arafwch. Ready? Roly-poly, roly-poly, round and round. Roly-poly, roly-poly, round and round. Roly-poly, roly-poly, round and round. Clap your hands together. 1, 2, 3. How about loud, Anna?
Swnllyd.
Ready? Roly-poly, roly-poly, round and round. Roly-poly, roly-poly, round and round. Roly, 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 round and round. Clap your hands together. 1, 2, 3, Diane. I like that. That's a good one, isn't it? Oh, I feel wide awake now. How about clap, clap, 1, 2, 3. Ti'n barod? Clap, clap, 1, 2, 3. Clap, clap, 1, 2, 3. Clap, clap, 1, 2, 3. Troia, troia, dwylo. Click, click. Click, click, 1, 2, 3. Click, click, 1, 2, 3. Click, click, 1, 2, 3. Troia, troia, dwylo. Stamp, stamp. Yeah, ti'n barod? Stamp, stamp. 1, 2, 3. Stamp, stamp. 1, 2, 3. Stamp, stamp. 1, 2, 3. Troia, troia, dwylo. Da iawn, pawb. Now, Anna, are you ready for a bounce?
Shall we have a bit of a bouncy? Oh, lion wants to bounce.
Oh, and tiger wants to bounce.
Very bouncy.
Are you ready? I bounce you here, I bounce you there, I bounce you everywhere. I hug you here, I hug you there, I hug you everywhere. I tickle you here, I tickle you there, I tickle you everywhere. I jump you here, I jump you there, I jump you in the air. Yeah,
I think I forgot the words that time.
Oh, we're forgetful this morning. Okay, last one now, last song.
Nice.
Song.
Play my.
Jacadw! Yes! Ti'n barod? Mi welais jacadw, yn eistedd a bento, het wen ar y ben ar y dwy groes bren yn ho 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 ho, yn canu ho ho ho, yn canu ho ho ho, het wen ar y ben ar y dwy groes bren yn ho 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 ho. Swnllyd iawn, Jacadw, swnllyd iawn. Very noisy, Jacadw. Oh, right, I'm tired now, Anna. Dwi'n barod I arafu. I'm ready to slow down.
Slow song now. Heno.
Heno, heno, hen blant bach. Heno, heno, hen blant bach. Dimmer, 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 hen blant bach. Dimmer, 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 hen blant bach. Cysgu, cysgu, hen blant bach. Cysgu, cysgu, hen blant bach. Dimmer, 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 hen blant bach. Dimmer, 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 hen blant bach. Wyt ti'n cysgu? Are you asleep? Just in case you're not, it's time to say goodbye.
That time already.
It's that time already. Are you ready?
Hands waving.
Goodbye to you. Goodbye to you. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye to you. Hwyl fawr ffrindiau, hwyl fawr ffrindiau, hwyl fawr ffrindiau, mae'n amser Dwyieithog fawr. Tŵr a nŵr a banta ni, banta ni, banta ni, tŵr a nŵr a banta ni, mae'n amser Dwyieithog fawr. Da iawn pawb, diolch am gwylio, welwch chi wythnos nesaf.
Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next week. Bye, folks.